Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU MDCAT test 2025 biology. Solved paper MCQs. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Dear students, in this video we will discuss KMU MDCAT 2025 Code D paper. Which structure enables the exchange of material between the nucleus and cytoplasm? Option A, plasma membrane. B, nuclear pores. Option C, lysosomes. And option D, mitochondria. So the correct option is B, nuclear pores. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. The delta D cells in the islet of Langerhans secretes the dash. Option A, insulin. B, somatostatin. C, glucagon. And option D, pancreatic polypeptide. So the correct option is B, somatostatin. Nucleic acids are made up of monomer called dash. Option A, nucleotides. B, nucleoside. C, DNA. And option D, RNA. So the correct option is A, nucleotides. So identify the main function of the duodenum is option A, bile storage. B, absorption of water. C, digestion of food. And option D, waste of storage. So the correct option is D, waste of storage. In addition to the DNA of the nucleus, there is dash DNA. Option A, mitochondrial DNA. B, endoplasmic reticulum. C, Golgi apparatus. And option D, plasma membrane. So the correct option is A, mitochondrial DNA. The high specific heat capacity of water is due to option A, ionic bonding. B, hydrogen bonding. C, covalent bonding. And option D, hydrophilic. So the correct option is B, hydrogen bonding. The pH of albumin is option A, 3.6. B, 4.7. C, 5.0. And option D, 6.1. So the correct option is B, 4.7. Which stage of the swallowing process prevents food or liquid from being spirated to the lungs? Option A, oral. B, pharyngeal. C, oropharyngeal. And option D, peristalsis. So the correct option is B, pharyngeal. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। An amino acid that does not form an alpha helix is option A, asparagine. B, tyrosine. C. tryptophan, and option D. proline. So the correct option is D. proline. Almost all the urea is formed in this tissue. Option A. kidney, B. urethra, C. uterus, and option D. liver. So the correct option is D. liver. Thank you for watching my videos.